So recently, I encountered one of the sweetest praise bass line on the internet. But before you hear the bass line and before I do the breakdown, I do private class lesson on how to play bass. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So now let's listen to the song and let me break down the bass line for you, okay? Wow, Charlie. Okay, so let's see if I could play it. Okay, so now let me break the bass line for you. First, the song was played on key F. Okay, so on your ma, da 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 da, ah, da 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 da. You see that progression? The bass started this way. Okay, so that is me, re. Your 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. So it's just like you're playing on your ma, da 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 da, on your ma. So that is 1, 5, 4, 5. So that is where he played me, re. So your re is like to the 5 progression. Da 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 da, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. Okay, so the groove he played on that was me, re. That's you're still on the 5. Okay, re. So you slide to your 5, your 2. So then you slide to your 2 here. Okay, your 2 here, and your 6. Then you slide backwards to your 1, 5. I hope you're getting it. On your ma. Then now you go to the 4, then to the 5. So this was what he played: 4, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5. Or if you have any bass line from 4 to 5. Something simple. But if you want to learn this, fa, 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 mi, re, do, re, so. Then, so me being on the so, I still have time, a little time to play or to groove on that 5 progression. So I on my own groove, I added the, so that is re, so la, so, your 2, 5, 6, 5. You understand? Me, re. So now to the main groove. So this is gonna be nice if you have mastered your ghost note very well. Okay, so let's start it on the 1. So 1, 3, 1 root, that's your 1, and a ghost note to the 3. Then you hit your 3, then 2 ghost note before you hit your 6. So 1, 3. Then now you be going to the, then you have your 1, 2, 3. So you play 3, 2, 3. Then you be going to your 6. So when you're done playing 3, 2, 3, you will now be going to the 6th progression. And this was what he played to the 6th. 3, 5, 7, 6, 6, 6, 6. That is mi, so, ti, la, 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 la. It's now on the 6. Okay, so now he'll be going to the 2. Before you be going to that, you do a 2 ghost notes before. So, okay, mi, re, mi, and mi. Then you do a 1 ghost note before you continue on the groove on 6. Mi, ti, mi, so, ti, la, 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 la. Then now you go into the 2 progression groove. So you do a ghost note, then 2, okay, 2, 4, 6, 2 ghost note, 4, 3, 4. Then you play 5, 5, 5, 2, 5, 5, 5. You understand? Okay. So if I take it slow, something like that. Okay. So now let's continue. So that was what he played on the 5. So then you come back to your 1. So 5, 2, 2, 2, then 2, 5, 5, 5, 5. Then you start. Okay. So this last one was so 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 2, 2, 5. Then you slide. Okay. So master the first one and the second one. The same thing. Okay. So 1 da 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 da. Okay, so he did something on 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1. Then you root 1, then 5, 5, 6. Then you go into the 6th groove. Okay, that is 3. Just like the first one. Okay. So it goes like this. 4, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5. Okay, that is 5, 5, 5, mi, re, mi, do, re, so, so, so. Re, mi, do, re, so, so, so. Okay. So you do something like this. That is, you have your 1 here, your 3. So then you descend. Then you have your 7 and your 2. So okay. Okay, these are led to the 4. So 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 1, 5, 4. That is do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, la, so, do, so, fa. Okay, but you need to be fast. Okay. That is 6, 7, 7, 6, 5, 5. Then you start the song again. So 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, then 5. Okay. Back to the 1. So 5, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 1, 1, 1. So la, do, re, mi, so la, do, 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 do. Okay. So that was how he ended. So and then you continue the group. Okay, so I believe you have learned something. For me, if I'll say what I've learned is when I was going from 1 to 3, I love that bass line and the 6. I swear I go use them for all my praise. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.